Welcome to Grelot Oaks in West Mobile, Alabama. This beautiful Mitchell home is a 4-bedroom with 2 full baths. It's over 2,000 square feet. It's got beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring. I love this open floor plan. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a large island, great size pantry. Come on in, let me show you around. I love the spacious primary suite, the tray ceiling, the private backyard, huge walk-in closet, the primary bath offers dual vanities, a nice soaking tub, and a separate shower. What more could you ask for? Call today for your private showing.